Hey my foxy friends, today we are going to make a potato casserole, and this is a super yummy side dish. You could even probably do it as a main meal if you want, but you want to start out with preheating your oven to 350 degrees. You are going to need a 13 by 9 baking dish, a large bowl, a whisk, and the ingredients are a bag of Ore-Ida shredded hash brown potatoes. This is a 30-ounce bag. 2 cups of shredded cheese. 2 cups of sour cream. This is a 16-ounce, so that's your 2 cups. A half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I put that in together. A 1/3 cup of diced onion. Usually I use green onion, but I only have white onion today, so that's what we'll be using. And 1 can of cream of chicken condensed soup. Oh, my bad. And 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 cups of crushed corn flakes. Now what I do is I measure out 2 cups first into a bowl and then I crush it up. So that's all you need for this recipe. Like I said, preheat your oven to 350 and have a 13 by 9 pan handy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your sour cream, soup mix, and your salt and pepper in the bowl, and we're going to combine it together. So we're going to go ahead and get that in there. So you just put the whole thing in. Get the majority of it out of the container here. And your salt and pepper. And we're going to combine this. Okay, so once it's combined, we're going to go ahead and add our onions. And I'm not going to add all of my cheese because I'm going to try to keep some for the topping. So I'm going to go ahead and put most of it in. Because I like to change it up, so I'm going to leave a little bit of cheese. So we're going to go ahead and mix that real quick. And now we're gonna rip open our shredded potatoes. And this is why I said you need a large bowl, because it's gonna fill up the bowl. Alright, so now you gotta mix this all up. I suggest getting a large spoon to do this. Something like this. And we're going to just mix it all together. Make sure all these shredded potatoes are coated with this yumminess. Okay, So while that's sitting, we're going to take the 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to put it in a measuring cup, and we're going to microwave it for a few seconds to melt it. Okay, so we got our melted butter. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 13 by 9 pan. We're going to go ahead and put all of this into that pan, like so. And you're going to spread it out as much as you can. Get all that yumminess out of there. Kind of spread it out. If you have a little bit bigger 13 by 9 pan, that's probably a little better, but what I do is I kind of smush it all down so it's kind of even. Smush it down. Sometimes I use my hand to get it all nice and smush down. Don't worry, my hands have been washed. Okay, so we're going to kind of just smush it down in there. Okay, so the melted butter is going to go into our corn flakes. And we're going to go ahead and mix the butter all around into the corn flakes. Kind of make sure, because this is the topping, so we kind of want to get it all coated so it'll be nice and crunchy. Woo! Okay, so you remember earlier I saved the little bit of cheese. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle the extra cheese on top. All right, and when you have that, we're going to go ahead and top it with our corn flakes. Just kind of smooth it on out. And if you really like this topping when you make it again, you could do a little bit more so it covers like everything really thick. So that's basically what it looks like, and we're gonna pop this into our 350-degree oven uncovered for 45 minutes. And I will come back when it's ready. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, here is our potato casserole. It looks super yummy. So if you guys give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of it. Please have a blessed day. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Love ya.